Ukraine's drone army is deployed in large numbers all along the front line, but while the effect can easily be noticed and felt, it's not so easy to detect the drones, as these are small, fairly quick and fairly quiet, resulting in sometimes the first reaction of the drone's presence is the reaction of something else. When the reaction is explosive and especially of the bigger kind, only the result is really noticed, leaving Russian troops to wonder what happened. But as Ukraine's drone army can send back information, other weapon systems can surprise Russian troops, as a cluster artillery was fired at an ammunition depot, resulting in all of the ammunition to detonate with a powerful shockwave as the result, leaving Ukraine's drone army to go find new targets. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.